top 7 pasta varieties, perfect for diabetics. For many people with diabetes, the word pasta sounds like something to avoid, but the truth is, you don't have to give it up. It's not about cutting out carbs completely, it's about choosing the right kind. The glycemic index measures how fast a food raises blood sugar, and different types of pasta affect the body in very different ways. Some are far better than others. In this video, we'll show you 7 pasta varieties that are delicious, more blood sugar friendly, and easy to find. Plus, you will hear from real people who've made the switch and seen real improvements in their blood sugar. You might be surprised to learn that pasta can still fit into a diabetes-friendly lifestyle, with the right type and portion size. Traditional white pasta is high on the glycemic index and can cause quick blood sugar spikes. But there are smarter alternatives made from whole grains, legumes, and even vegetables that digest more slowly and help keep your blood sugar stable. These options are not only healthier, but also taste great and work well in your favorite recipes. Pasta. Number 1. Whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat pasta is one of the most accessible and affordable swaps for anyone managing diabetes. It's made from whole grain durum wheat, which means it retains more fiber and nutrients compared to regular white pasta. Extra fiber helps digestion and releases glucose slowly into your blood. That means fewer blood sugar spikes and longer-lasting energy. Another benefit is the familiar taste and texture. It's close to traditional pasta, making it easier to transition without feeling like you're missing out. Just be sure to check the label for 100% whole wheat to get the full benefit. Linda, a 58-year-old from Ohio, switched from regular pasta to whole wheat and noticed her post-meal blood sugar readings dropped by nearly 30 points. She also felt fuller, longer. For best results, stick to a 1-cup cooked serving and pair it with fiber-rich veggies and a lean protein. Light tomato sauces or olive oil-based dressings work well and help keep the meal balanced and satisfying. Whole wheat pasta is a simple, effective way to enjoy your favorite dishes while still supporting blood sugar control. Pasta number 2. Chickpea pasta. Chickpea pasta has become a popular choice for people looking to manage blood sugar while still enjoying a hearty meal. Made almost entirely from chickpeas, this pasta is naturally rich in plant-based protein and fiber, 2 key nutrients that slow down digestion and help stabilize blood sugar levels. Unlike traditional pasta, chickpea pasta has a lower glycemic load, making it a smarter option for diabetics. The bonus? It's gluten-free and packed with nutrients like iron, magnesium, and potassium. The texture is firm and the flavor is slightly nutty, pairing well with roasted vegetables, garlic, and olive oil. Jason, a 45-year-old from Alberta, started eating chickpea pasta post-workout. He found it fueled him without energy crashes and helped keep his blood sugar in check. Keep portions moderate, about 1 cup cooked, and avoid pairing it with heavy, creamy sauces that can add unwanted fat and calories. Chickpea pasta is a filling, blood sugar-friendly option that fits perfectly into a balanced diabetic meal plan while offering great taste and texture in every bite. Pasta number 3. Lentil pasta. Lentil pasta is a fantastic pasta alternative for diabetics, thanks to its high levels of plant-based protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Made from red or green lentils, this pasta digests slowly, helping to avoid sudden blood sugar spikes. It also supports digestive health and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, which can reduce snacking and overeating. Lentil pasta has a rich, earthy flavor and a firm bite when cooked properly. It pairs well with roasted vegetables, tomato-based sauces, or even a light pesto. It's also a good source of nutrients like folate, iron, and magnesium, important for energy and blood sugar regulation. Melanie, a 50-year-old from Vancouver, incorporated lentil pasta into her weekly meal prep. She found that her energy stayed stable throughout the afternoon and her glucose readings were more consistent. To maximize the benefits, stick to proper portion sizes and pair with fiber-rich, non-starchy vegetables like spinach, zucchini, or bell peppers. Lentil pasta delivers a satisfying, hearty meal while supporting steady blood sugar. A perfect blend for anyone managing type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Pasta number 4. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles, also known as konjac noodles or miracle noodles, are a unique option for diabetics because they contain virtually no digestible carbs or calories. Made from glucomannan, a type of fiber found in the konjac root, These translucent noodles pass through the digestive system slowly, helping to control blood sugar and promote feelings of fullness. Although they have little nutritional value, their low glycemic impact makes them ideal for those who want to enjoy a big bowl of noodles without affecting their blood glucose. The texture is slightly chewy and works well in stir-fried dishes, soups, or Asian-inspired recipes. Tom, a 63-year-old from Florida, was skeptical at first, but gave shirataki noodles a try as a pasta alternative. After several meals, he noticed no blood sugar spikes and finally felt confident enjoying pasta again. Shirataki noodles should be rinsed well and lightly pan-fried to reduce their natural odor and improve texture. Add veggies, sesame oil, or lean protein for a balanced and flavorful meal. They're not only diabetic-friendly, but also great for weight management and low-carb eating. You get the satisfaction without the spike. Pasta number 5. Quinoa pasta. Quinoa pasta is a smart choice for diabetics looking for a well-balanced, nutritious alternative to traditional pasta. Made from quinoa flour or a mix of quinoa with other whole grains, this pasta is naturally gluten-free and provides a solid blend of protein, fiber, and complex carbs. These nutrients work together to slow digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels after meals. Quinoa is also rich in essential minerals like magnesium, which plays a key role in insulin sensitivity. The pasta has a slightly nutty flavor and a firm texture, making it a tasty base for Mediterranean-style dishes or veggie-packed salads. Allison, a 37-year-old from Arizona, switched to quinoa pasta for her weekly lunches. She found it kept her feeling full and energized, without the crashes she used to get from white pasta. To enjoy quinoa pasta in a diabetes-friendly way, stick to about 1 cup cooked, add in non-starchy vegetables, and top it with lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu. Quinoa pasta offers a great balance of nutrition and taste, helping support both blood sugar control and overall wellness, without making you feel like you are missing out on your favorite comfort food. Pasta number 6. Brown rice pasta. Brown rice pasta is another excellent option for people with diabetes, especially those looking for a gluten-free and easy-to-digest alternative. Unlike white rice pasta, the brown rice version retains the bran and germ, which means it contains more fiber and nutrients. This helps slow down the absorption of sugar and keeps blood glucose levels more stable after a meal. It has a mild flavor and soft texture that closely resembles traditional pasta, making it a great choice for picky eaters or families transitioning to healthier meals. It works well with light tomato sauces, grilled vegetables, or simple olive oil and herbs. Mark, a 49-year-old from Tennessee, was hesitant to give up his weekly pasta night. He started using brown rice pasta with his favorite grilled chicken and vegetable mix, and was happy to find no noticeable blood sugar spike afterwards. To keep meals balanced, pair brown rice pasta with lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of non-starchy vegetables. Stick to recommended portions and avoid creamy, high-sugar sauces. Brown rice pasta offers comfort, taste, and better glycemic control all in one forkful, making it a smart choice for any diabetic-friendly meal plan. Pasta number 7. Veggie-based pasta. Veggie-based pastas, made from spiralized zucchini, carrots, or even spinach, are an ultra-low-carb choice that can satisfy pasta cravings while delivering extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Because these noodles are simply vegetables in another form, they contain very few digestible carbohydrates and almost no impact on blood glucose. They're also packed with antioxidants and hydration, supporting overall health and weight management. Claire, a 40-year-old from California, bought a spiralizer to create zucchini noodles for family dinners. She was thrilled to enjoy large portions without worrying about her blood sugar. Within a month, her glucose readings stabilized and she even lost a few pounds. To prepare veggie noodles, lightly sauté or steam them for just 2 to 3 minutes. Overcooking can make them soggy. Pair with lean proteins like shrimp or grilled chicken, and finish with a tomato-based or pesto sauce. Veggie-based pasta offers maximum volume, flavor, and nutritional value with minimal carbs, making it a perfect choice for diabetics. Bonus tips: making pasta truly diabetes-friendly. Portion size is everything. Aim for about 1 cup of cooked pasta per meal, then fill the rest of your plate with non-starchy vegetables. Always mix in a lean protein like grilled chicken, shrimp, or tofu to slow carbohydrate absorption and keep you fuller longer. Add healthy fats. Think olive oil, avocado, or a sprinkle of nuts to further stabilize blood sugar. Choose tomato, herb, or olive oil-based sauces instead of creamy, sugary varieties. Finally, test your glucose 1 to 2 hours after trying a new pasta, so you can see how your body responds and fine-tune future servings. When to expect results. Switching to diabetic-friendly pasta varieties can deliver noticeable improvements quickly. Within the first week, many people feel less post-meal fatigue and experience steadier energy as blood sugar spikes decrease. By the second or third week, glucose logs often show lower post-meal readings and fewer sudden highs or lows. After a month of consistent swaps, paired with balanced sauces, vegetables, and protein, some people see modest weight loss and even improved A1C levels at their next checkup. Remember, results vary by individual, but tracking your numbers and staying consistent will help you see and feel the benefits of smarter pasta choices. Conclusion. Pasta isn't off limits when you have diabetes. Just choose wisely, watch portions, and balance each meal. Give one of these 7 varieties a try this week and note how your blood sugar responds. Which pasta will you experiment with first? Share your choice and any recipe ideas in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly food swaps and meal planning advice.